This is a graph. Let's make a point called A and move it to 1. If we multiply A by -1, we get -1. And if we do it again, we go back to +1. Now let's hide the graph lines. Every time we multiply by -1, we rotate the point by 180 degrees. As you can see, the pattern works, but why do we have to put a whole number in the exponent? But this doesn't land on a point we've seen before. That's where imaginary numbers come in. By defining I as the square root of -1, we can express these in-between rotations. In this case, A is I. If we parameterize the exponent continuously, we can see that it makes a circle.